The kleine Panzerbefehlswagen, product number 6218, was released in two nearly identical versions by Dragon, one in 2004 and one in 2005. The boxes show the same release year, part count, and only inside the box of the 2005 release do you see an errata sheet. This is the missing PE sheet. It's just 4 pieces of photo edge, two long stretches and then 2 shorter stretches. I don't know anything more than that because I haven't built it myself. And then you have these C14, C15 bits that are on the wheels here. These parts were omitted in the 2004 release, I assume by accident. I don't know if you can build a version of this command vehicle with the 2004 release of this particular kit. I do know that if you get the 2005 version, which has the exact same box as the 2004 version, you can build what was intended at least. The first Dragon Panzer II was made in 1996 as an Imperial Series rebox of an Elan 1995 kit. It was the Panzer II Ausführung C, or version C, with a tank crew. The crew sprue included 4 figures, but only one was meant for the kit. It had single tracks on a sprue. However, the gun barrel is portrayed in the instructions as single piece. It was product number 9026. Dragon then released an Afrika or Truppen version of the Panzer II Ausführung C the next year, which was a variation of the Elan kit, also with single tracks on a sprue, and, according to the instructions, a one-piece gun barrel, this time with no crew figures. This was product number 9039. Jump forward to 2007, when Dragon releases the F version of the Panzer II, product number 6263. You can see in the back of the box that there's interior detailing, there's interiors of the turret, and you also see the telling additional set of on-vehicle tools without brackets. That is specifically because in this version the PE sheet around here, you can recognize these kind of C-like structures, C-like bits, and then the elongated I-like bits and pieces there on the PE sheet. These are very small pieces which actually make up tool handles to make it go nuts, but be proud when they're done. This was a true modern Dragon kit with extras, as Dragon usually did not and still does not do a lot of interior kits. It also had a single piece gun barrel and magic tracks. There is another version of product number 6263 released by Cyber Hobby that same year. Comparing the instruction sheets leads to the conclusion that these two kits, which also have the same product number, only released by Dragon and Cyber Hobby respectively, have the same box contents. Unfortunately, I only own a copy of the Dragon version, so I can verify that. Apart from the re-release in 2015 of this particular kit, all other Panzer IIs from Dragon, starting in 2007 onwards, had magic tracks. There is an exception in the form of product number 6440, the Bison, as re-released in 2015, which also came with DS tracks. The original 2011 release of the Bison, as well as the 2021 re-release, had magic tracks. And all these 3 versions had the same product number, 6440. Buyer beware.